Audrey.
Hi, I'm back, and so Zach and Daddy went down the hill because Zach was getting really tired, and he did a lot of hiking today. And we just passed Mount Rushmore. It was a little farther than the view than we thought, but we got there. And now look over there, and that is the blue and yellow trail, our new trail. Back on me. So that's our blue and yellow trail. Now, if we keep following the blue and yellow trail, we'll end up with some flowers and the Huline Tower Observatory. And we have 18 artifacts and 5 benches. All of them had like those wheel thingies, you know. And now we're naming the Mount Rushmore Mount Crystal Rock or Mount Bryce?
Crystal Rock is fine.
Mount Crystal Rock. And to remind us, and because there's already a place in the world called Mount Rushmore. And we'll be back once we get to the flower area.